Welcome to Twill. This is our tutorial video on how to approve a booking. Go to our webpage www.twill.net. Select your preferred language. Click on Login. Add your user and password. Click on Go to Shipments. See all your shipments on the right. You will see if there is any pending. Click on a specific booking. On the overview, you'll see all the stages of this specific shipment or booking. Click on Shipment Tasks. Proceed to approve the booking. To approve the booking is fast and easy. It only involves 3 easy steps. Fill in the cargo details. It is a draft information. Data can be an approximate. Write a reference number of your preference. Click on the checkbox and click Next. Now add any additional service you may need from Twill. This is the last step. Review all the details from your booking. Here is the route, the transfers, and the departure date and arrival date. Your cargo details, shipper and consignee information too. Click on the checkbox and click Next. You have finished your booking approval process. Thank you for watching our video.